bit of grilling in the warmth of the garage. It's a little bit cold out. Quick wash our little hands off. It's been on the grill for a good second. Hands are so wet. We're gonna take a little peek skis, make sure it's good. Oh yeah, that looks splendid. We're gonna just do a little nibble test. See if it's good. It looks cooked. Put it on there for like another 30 seconds. In the meantime, we're gonna make a little protein shake. You guys are gonna love this one. Accidentally dropped an egg, but I can't even grab it. Oh, shoot. Oopsies. Don't want that to go to waste, do we? Oh, look at that. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum. All right, for the protein shake, I'm gonna grab a little bit of, oops, haven't washed my little fingies. Some Greek yogurt. Some of these bad boys. We're gonna find some milk. Kind of making a little bit of a mess here, but we found our. Splendid. Give that a little mixy poo. Forgot my pouch in. Now we're gonna go back to the steak, okay? I feel bad for whoever has to clean this disaster up. That bread looks like it's cooking. Ooh, it's a little warm. Oh, bread on my little pinkies. Boy, does that look scrumptious. I think we're gonna call it there. It looks splendid. Gonna give her a little cut up. And now the little taste test. Look at how scrumptious that is. I do good work.